Hi guys, welcome back. Let's see how to create this product advertising poster in Canva. Go to canva.com and click custom size to create a new design. I'm going to create a 1080 by 1080 pixels design, but you can choose a predefined template size as well. Click on this create new design button. These are the images I'm going to use. You can download these images from the link in the description, or you can go to highclipart.com to get transparent images. First, let's drag and drop the background image and leaves images. After the images are uploaded, select the background image, right-click on it and select Set Image as Background. Next, move the leaf image to the top right corner and adjust its size. Then create a duplicate of it by pressing Ctrl+D and move the duplicated image down, adjusting its position. Go to Edit, click Blur and set the blur intensity to 60. Make sure you have selected the whole image option. After that, select this image, move it down. Add 30% blur like this. Next, let's add some blur to the background. Go to Elements, search for Blur. Go to Graphics, select this one and change the color to green. Now let's import the other two images. Select the product image, increase the size and place it in the center. Go to Edit. Select Shadows and choose Glow Shadow. Then create a duplicate, flip it vertically and set the transparency to 40. Then add 60% blur. Place the duplicated image like this, so it looks like a reflection of the product. Next, go to Elements, search for Shadows and select this one. Keep it under the product image and reduce the transparency to around 60. Then take this apple's image and crop the right side of it. Go to Position and select to Front. Adjust the positions of the leaves images also. Now let's add some text. Go to text and select add a heading. Increase the font size to 90 and change the font style to Anton. Then change the color to yellow. Select the caps lock to make the text capitalized. Then reduce the line spacing. You can leave the spacing between elements by holding the Alt key. Go to Effects, select Lift and increase the intensity. Then go to Position and select Backward. Adjust the position of the product images like this. Now let's add some animations to this poster. Select the leaf image and the text, then go to Animate. There are several animations available here. Let's select Pan. After that, select the product image and the apples image. Go to Animate and choose the breath animation. That's it. Now let's see how this looks. Click this play button and here's our poster design with animations. You can download this as an image, video, or even as a GIF. Click the share button. Click this drop down and you will see various formats to download this design. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and give it a like. Drop a comment if you have any questions. See you in the next video.